Hi, I'm Eddie O'Broy,
And I'm Michelle Bryant.
and we're so excited about another property we have here in Oakland. As you know, we sell properties all over the Bay Area, and this is a great opportunity. Michelle, what do you think about this one?
I think it's a fantastic commuter paradise and a lovely investment opportunity.
It really is. It's
Yeah.
a duplex, as close to the transit.
Yeah, close to the transit, close to downtown if you work close by. Great location. It's a very up and coming location.
It really is, and you're not
Yeah.
too far away from San Francisco. So let's take a tour.
Welcome to 3328 Martin Luther King Jr. Way. Own this desirable two-story Oakland duplex. The downstairs unit features one bedroom, one bath, with a light-filled living area and convenient built-ins. This unit also has newly installed subway tiles and updates. The upstairs is a two-bedroom, one-bath unit with timeless features. Ideally located near Highways 580 and 24, Sprouts Market, Alta Bates Summit Hospital, parks, and downtown Oakland.
Thank you so much for taking the tour.
Now, as you saw, it's a great opportunity, and if you have any questions, that's what we're here for. Reach out to us anytime. We'll see you soon.